Want to see the shape of your data in a single picture? That's a histogram. And in Stratum, it takes 3 clicks. Here's how. Drag your spreadsheet onto Stratum. It reads the file, sorts your columns into numbers and categories, and drops you into a fast data grid. Open the Charts menu. Choose Histogram and pick a numeric column, say a list price. Stratum buckets the values into ranges and draws a bar for how many fall in each. Tall bars where values pile up, short bars out in the tails. Now read the shape. A single hump near the middle is roughly bell-shaped. A long tail to one side means the data is skewed, the signature of prices and incomes. 2 humps hint at 2 groups hiding in one column. The one real choice is bin width. Too few bins hides the detail, too many turn the shape into noise. Stratum picks a sensible default and lets you switch rules or set the count by hand. When in doubt, nudge it and keep the shape that stays stable. When it looks right, export a clean PNG or PDF for your report. That's a histogram in Stratum. Download it and try it on your own data.